I had a question for Alaya. I was wondering if you could
Good.
talk more about your heart center training.
Yes, the only thing you need to come with is a willingness to make a huge leap in your own emotional healing. And the reason that we're able to go so deep and that it's so gentle is because we shift out of our brain and we shift into our heart so that we access another kind of intelligence that is unified, that is compassionate, and has wisdom that our minds and our decisions to protect ourselves just don't have. So what we do is at the very beginning, when we connect into our heart, our senses open and we're able to feel sometimes the emotion that we've held all our lives in our bodies, and to be able to look at that. And by working with it, we see that it has connections into our past. And we're able to go back to an original cause of why we're holding that unintegrated energy or emotion. And it's so beautiful because we see that perhaps when you were 3 years old, that you made a decision that you're not loved and you had to protect yourself and make it on your own, you take a different posturing. It changes the fluid in your bodies. It might become more gel. You might become more torqued. And we carry this false posturing for the rest of our lives. So that is one simple thing that we come through so that we can find integrity in our bodies, work with the inner child. And what's so beautiful about working with the inner child is that we get to work with our mothers and fathers, not through the lens of our mind, but with our hearts. And we can start to see how if they were unable to love us, that we never learned how to love ourselves. And through working more deeply, we come to a compassion to hold our parents, to be able to be held and to be seen. They are able to love us. Yet somehow we can hold the space of love for them. And is so beautiful. And then we're able to go back into the lineage and find that there was a point in time when a decision was made that is very related to what our trauma is present time. And it has lived through each generation. We can hold each generation, our mothers and fathers, and clear something so deep and so profound so that we can come back into our integrity, in our bodies, in our hearts, and make a deeper soul connection. In a nutshell, that's really what it is. And I would say that our ability to love is the key.